Ladies and gentlemen, nhasi ndiri Missie group of Christian colleges. Ndongoita katalk yekuti ma-students epo anenge achindiudza kuti chikoro ichi chakamira sei. I'm actually impressed. Look at this display iri panapa yakanaka zvisingaite. It's a group of Christian colleges. Chandanyanyofarira words kuti Christian colleges. They enroll from Form 1 to Form 6 and they are a ZIMSEC registered center. Zvatiwo kana une mwana wako ari panapa ananidze kuzononyorera kwabushu kana kune imwe nzvimbo anokwanisa kunyorera panapa. Both ma-commercials, ma-arts nema-sciences. Ma-sciences are prestigious anoitirwa futi panapa. So I'm going to let the students here give us a tour. Naona tikatira nematicha, maticha anotinyembera. Regatiudzwe nevana vari kudzidza ipapa tinzwe kuti zvakamira sei.
Hello guys. I answer to the name Sheru Zanamwe, a lower 6th student at the esteemed headquarters of Missie Group of Christian Colleges. We are so excited about the new transformations at school. With me here I have Michael and Rachel. So notably, our directors acquired cutting-edge technological advancements, which include the sophisticated audiovisual equipment, which have revolutionized the way we learn complex concepts. We also have CCTV surveillance, enhanced security. We have fans which create a lively and titivating atmosphere for the students. Paved grounds which have provided a healthy and pleasant atmosphere for the students and faculty alike. We also have the quality control for attendance concerns. We also have an on-site nurse which helps with medical assistance. Right now I'm going to give the mic to
Michael.
Hi guys. At our school, we have a uniform schedule for the students that should be strictly followed. On Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, we wear our proper uniform with a half jersey and a floppy hat. On Wednesday, we wear our sports short and t-shirt with a red cap and white sneakers. On Friday, we wear our full tracksuits with red cap and white sneakers. At our school, teachers have their own uniform schedule. On Monday, they wear black. On Tuesday, they wear blue. On Wednesday, they wear grey. On Thursday, they wear casual. On Friday, they wear their school sports t-shirts and a blue cape. At our school, we also have boys' toilets that are cleaned 4 times a day. That is morning, after break, after lunch, and after school. They are clean to an extent that you can eat in those toilets.
Hello Zimbabwe, my name is Rachel. So I'm here to talk about the health and hygiene at MCC. So at MCC we have the aunties which clean our school. We have facilities like the pavement, the corridors, the classrooms and the toilets. So the aunties at our school, they clean before lessons commence, after break time and after lunchtime and after school. And then these aunties are the ones which serve us at break time in the canteen. They serve nutritious foods like sadza, rice, burgers and so on. And then we have extracurricular activities like clubs, which are journalism, the chess club, dancing, modeling, scripture union and so on. We also do sports at our school like basketball, volleyball, netball, chess, cricket, rugby and so many more.
So to add on what my junior said, I have to add on the sports that we conduct at school. We have badminton, that's my favorite. We also have basketball, cricket, table tennis, and rugby. We also conduct gymnastics at school for those who are interested. So at this institution, we have Leo, and the duty is to serve. And this provides a comprehensive atmosphere since we are a Christian college. So we go for donations in places like Chinyaradzo and Daniko. And we also go to Jairosjiri. So our qualified teachers provide outstanding teachings and in-depth knowledge. So as I said before, I'm a lower 6th student and I'm wearing a grey uniform to symbolize seriousness. So as you can see, our school is painted in blue. There is actually a secret behind that. Our director favors Chelsea and that's why he chose that color. But I'm not a Chelsea fan, I'm a Man U fan. But please don't tell him that I said. We also have CCTV surveillance to enhance security. The CCTV is there to monitor movements of out-of-control behaviors in each and every class. Our security guards are also CCTVs themselves, because I remember one day I tried to go out but then they refused. Due to our director's vision, he tries his best to invite different kind of people. So recently he invited the general chaplain at this institution for Zimbabwe prison and correctional services, and his visit at school helped us to see more about our inner feelings and the way we conduct and interact with other students out there. To foster a jovial mood at school, different trips are planned by our events director. So recently we visited Kwateri and we enjoyed ourselves. We also have a planned trip to Victoria Falls. We also conduct Fun Day, whereby people will be wearing funny clothes. So on this day, certain programs are routed, whereby boys have to go for FIFA and girls have to go to the cinema. This is to promote gender equality. Okay, and together we can co-create an ecosystem that fosters creativity and celebrates excellence. So as we said before, our classrooms are fully equipped with sophisticated audiovisual equipment and interactive displays. The use of the CCTV surveillance is to monitor movements of out-of-control behaviors within the classrooms. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Sherry. How are you?
I'm okay. So what's your point of view upon the installation of the projectors and whiteboards?
Okay, the use of projectors are very useful at the moment because it's a bit easier teaching kids the things that they see. For example, if you tell them about your cell, since I'm a biology teacher, if you tell them about a cell, then you project the cell for them. It makes it easier for them to understand since they are seeing the things that you're talking about. And even when it comes to writing notes, you don't have to detect a lot of notes for these kids. You just display the notes, then they just easily write. So it becomes very easier to teach when you're using projectors.
Okay, so right now I'm going to have a brief conversation with one of the Form 1 students. Hello, Rumbidzai.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so can you tell me a brief experience about your learning activities?
Here at Missie Christian College, it is easy to concentrate due to all the changed environment and modern ways that we use. As you can see, we can use a projector. It is easy to understand and see the concept. And also the CCTV cameras help us focus on our work because they will be observing every move that we make. So for me, it's a pretty convincing environment for learning.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. So as we have said before, we have the QC quality control, which play a fundamental role at our school. Let's hear some of their responsibilities.
Hello, nice to meet you. So this is the quality control department, and this is my team, Mr. Chikoro, who is actually sitting next to me is Mr. Svanda. Then we have Madam Anna Chatira. So there are quite a lot of things that we are actually doing and helping our institution to grow, so that we produce quality education. So we actually take a look into the students. They are supposed to be present every day, and we actually check why a student is not present. So we actually do calls following up, because during these times we've noticed that a lot of teachers, a lot of students, some of them are actually missing school. So when they miss school, they might be doing other things, other drug things. They might be so we actually confirm from the parents why the students are not actually present. Then we also, our teachers have got a lot of things to do. So we are actually trying to monitor the quality of our education, making sure that we deliver the good education to our students. So we actually go through the notebooks. We actually check if the students are actually writing all their notes. We actually check if the students are getting their books marked, because there are some students who won't be doing their work. So we are always working hard, trying to push the quality of our education to another better level. So this is the QC, and we're actually happy with what we're doing, and we're trying our best to actually keep on pushing the standards and the quality of our education here at MCC.
At Missie Group of Christian College, discipline and hard work is the order of the day. As you can see, the 1,000 pleats on your skirt symbolizes the 1,000 rules and regulations to be followed by the students. And also note that our uniform is our pride. Missie Group of Christian Colleges.
Best of the rest.
Thank you for watching this.